Making some good progress today. We're just about to break for lunch. Do a little update from inside the project here. This area here, where all the guys have laid all their stuff, is about the size of what our master bedroom will be. So this corner right here will be where our spiral staircase will come up, and then we won't have a window, so that wall will be where our bed is. And then to approximately the end there, that's about the size of our bedroom. So that'll be pretty amazing. Here's the view from inside the brewery. This is, I'm actually standing in what will be the bathroom. There'll be a small reception area and then a deck outside. And then this hole in the floor is where the big fridge will be, compressors and so forth. And then this will be all the production area. This would normally be a one-bedroom house. It's quite spacious. You can see how high the roof is and the windows. All the windows at the back. Picking up the panels for our solar system today from Casa de Bateria. We've been having some trouble with birds hitting our nice wide windows here. So we're going to try hanging this yellow cord and then hang more cords off of it all across the front to kind of give them a curtain to not fly through. Birds are very noisy today. So this is not a permanent fix by any means, but we're hoping these yellow cords swaying in the breeze will stop them from flying into the windows and committing suicide on our deck. So I'm here in the town of El Valle. It's Tuesday afternoon. The guys are working hard up at the project, so I thought I would come down into town and take a little video of some of the fun stuff that there is to do down here. This is the start of kind of the main drag. It's not a big town. It's easy to walk around, nice and flat once you're inside the bowl of the volcano. You can see kind of the edges of the volcano there, all the greenery. It's super lush and green here during the rainy season, obviously. This is a little hotel, guest house kind of thing with some restaurants and souvenir shops at the bottom. You got your gas station across the road, and then the farmer's market is a little further down. There's quite a few restaurants here. Probably 6 of them are pizzerias, but that's good. We like pizza. These lovely wooden carvings here. Cocobolo wood. Ranging from about $20 for a smaller one up to $85 for this tortuga. $55 for the little monkey. I like him. Embroidered dresses and fancy outfits. Lots of bright embroidery and colors in here. And bicycles, I think, for rent. It's a pretty easy town to cycle around in. This is a beautiful little bench here, a bus bench, or just sitting as you're walking along the road. The Golden Frog, which this area is very well known for. There's a Golden Frog Inn and a Golden Frog restaurant and Golden Frog Tourist Center. We've been coming here to El Valle for a few years now, and we've seen things grow and change, and these sidewalks are one of the things. So there's a paved bicycle path and cobblestone walking area. So it's nice to be able to walk along relatively safely without the car traffic. But then there's things like this in the middle of your walking path. So you have to veer around and hope that a bicycle doesn't clip you from behind. Here is the gas station in town. Delta is a fairly big chain here in Panama. Gas is price controlled, so it's the same price all over the country. Diesel is the first one, and then Maxima 91 and Maxima 95. Pretty much the same as at home. This is the fruit and vegetable market in El Valle. It's Tuesday, so some of the vendors aren't here. And all those empty ones at the back are the flower vendors that are here on the weekends. But it's a great place to come and get fresh fruits and vegetables from nearby, and you can buy, you know, 1 onion and 1 tomato if you need to. You don't have to buy the whole bags like you do in the grocery store. Isn't that beautiful? Nice little bench to sit and wait while your significant other does the shopping. Many handicrafts and items for sale here. Again, more of these are open on the weekends, and it's a bustling place on Saturdays. This is one of the side streets down in the village of El Valle. Just a beautiful canopy of lush trees covering the streets. And there's gorgeous big houses behind all these trees that you can't really see from the road. And big houses like this one. Look at the cement pillars at the front door alone. This is beautiful. And then there's Villa M&M. Not sure if their names maybe start with M's or if they're just a big fan of the candy, because that looks exactly like the font on the M&M candy bag. This is bamboo growing along the side of this little creek here. Some of it appears to be broken down, whether that's the storms or people trying to harvest it to take it home. Unclear. My favorite little coffee spot in El Valle. It's a hostel, so there's always all kinds of people from all over the world here to listen to and talk to. I don't know what this plant is called, but I've seen it in a bigger bush form before and forgot about it, and I just happened to walk past one and kick it. Watch what happens when you touch it. The leaves just fold right up inside themselves.